I set a new standard. These are corner protections for pallets and they're always leaning there, so I removed them. But I made a standard home for them in the pallet trolley and also put a label to where to restock them from, and I also labelled the drinks holder. So a great job by me, I think, and let's make sure we keep it premium. Kieran respraying the diesel forklift. We're doing the black and then we're going to be doing the green. Great job. Charlie with before and after, labelling the temporary tube racking. Great job. Josh with before and after, moving the printer toner from his cabinet. Let's see where they've gone. Damien and Marius with a safety improvement. This was a grey up to the bracket rack and now it's powder coated black and stable. Great job. Phil with a nice improvement, setting the standard, mounting the instructions for the strap machine to the rear of it. Chris with a technical improvement on the cardboard cutting machine. So when we'd switch it on, the vacuum pump would make the lights go dim, and it was because it was drawing 200 amps. But now we have a frequency control that lowers the loads. Great job.